Hi, this is Ken from Lipson Enterprise. Today I want to show you how to use this lock. First of all, this lock is present to open at 040, and if you want to open the lock, just push this button. And then you want to set your combination number. First of all, you turn this part, and then you set your own number. For example, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and then you turn back this part, and you can lock it. Yes. And you want to release the lock, unlock the lock. 1 2 3 4. Okay, thank you.